Don't skip this video. Maybe your heart clicked on this for a reason. If you've been crying silently, feeling anxious, failing again and again, this message might be exactly what your soul needs tonight. There's someone watching this right now, smiling in front of people, but breaking completely inside. Every night feels heavy. Your chest feels tight. Your mind never stops thinking, what if I fail again? What if Allah is disappointed in me? You worked while nobody noticed. You stayed patient while life kept hurting you. You're exhausted. But listen carefully. Allah never ignores a heart that keeps returning to Him. You tried so hard. You prayed while your heart was tired. And now, the tears you hide from people, the silent panic attacks, Allah knows them. The nights where you felt completely alone, Allah was still beside you. Sometimes Allah delays things, not because He hates you, but because He is protecting you from what could destroy you. You think your life is falling apart, while Allah is actually rebuilding you. Every hardship is teaching you something. Every failure is shaping your soul. Every painful moment is bringing you closer to the person you are meant to become. And one day, you'll look back at this difficult phase and realize Allah saved you from things you were begging for. So breathe. You are not abandoned. Keep making dua. Keep trying again. Keep trusting Allah even when life makes no sense. Because Allah can change your situation in a single night. One prayer, one miracle, that's all it takes. And maybe one moment. Your story is about to change sooner than you think. Allah is still writing your story. So don't give up yet.